Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're out here in Kenton, Ohio, and guess what I bought? A World War II Jeep, but it's not this one. This is a nicely restored one. Oh my gosh, this is cool. This is what we're after. This is what I want to make mine look like. And with the jerry can and the spare tire, just like Dad had in World War II. We're going to name it Lorene, of course. This one's got all the correct tags on it and everything. They got this going this morning. Just they pulled it out so we could take a look at it. And then he's got another one, an old rusty one that he takes this out into the field. Sorry it's so windy, but that's not the one I got. I got this one, and I'll do a little more close-up on it when we get home. It's too windy right now. Here she is, 1943 Jeep Willys, back at Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're gonna restore this puppy. I know she's got a little bit of a Detroit lean to her, but we'll blow her apart and paint her up and make her look all brand spanking new, just like Dad had back in World War II. Yeah, my dad was a master sergeant in the Army. He fought all through Europe, and we'll dedicate this build to him. I got several pictures of him with Jeeps. I got a couple different Jeeps he drove over there. And one thing he always did on both the Jeeps I saw pictures of, he had Lorene across here. So, something new to work on. Let me show you the engine. She does run out here today. I apologize if that's coming through, but there she is. A little 4-cylinder. I don't know much about these things, but we're going to learn. And you're going to learn along with me on Meldrum's Monster Garage. But she's got a 6-volt system. Right now, I did hear her run. The guy I bought him from, Mr. Rogers. bought a Jeep from Mr. Rogers. And we did have this running at his house. We had a gas tank in here and a 6-volt battery. So I'm going to have to get a 6-volt battery for it. And I'm sure quite a few other things. It doesn't have any brakes on it. So we're going to have to get some brakes. The tires are all cracked and wrong kind of wheels, but we'll get her figured out. Trust me. We'll blow her apart and make her look good again. Wish me luck. Well, we got her up on the lift real quick. See how we did on the frame here. It's a nice little frame. There might be some rot on the bottom of the belly here, you know, but the frame is very solid, and it's got a new piece in here. The engine's been rebuilt. But she's got a nice little rear end, nice little front end. It's got a little bit of a Detroit lean to it, so we'll have to figure out what's going on there. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with the frame rails on this thing. But yeah, I mean, it's a Jeep. How hard can this be? I say that as I first look at it on the lift. But they built these things to be simple. So me and the Rock's got to put his Army uniform on to work on this. But I was telling Patty on the way home, there will be no ducks in this Jeep. This is an Army vehicle, purpose built. Any ducks on this vehicle will be shot by, I don't know, I'll maybe put Elmer Fudd in here. Okay, so I'll get a battery in it. I'll get a gas tank. We'll start her up, and we'll look at the brake situation. We don't have any brakes on it, but I think to rebuild the brakes, I've been looking at kits. We can get that done pretty cheap. That's one nice thing about this Jeep. It's 1943 MB Jeep. Parts are still available. So here we go, going down a new road, not a Chevelle. Something different. Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage. Maybe you can call me Sergeant Meldrum today. Hey, let's go for a ride in the Jeep. Got her going. Just gonna take her around the backyard. She's not ready for the road. I have 0 brakes. don't even know how many speeds these things have. I don't know what four-wheel drive is. I don't know nothing. But we'll have fun. Abby wants to go for a ride. Abby, you want to go for a ride? All right, there's drive-by, and we'll try to stay in camera shot here, but a lot of fun so far. Driving Abby crazy driving around, but doing pretty good. But we're shifting gears and trying to shift gears. Zoom by. There you go. I can find, I can't seem to get her into, oh, there's second. Okay, now I kind of know where second gear is. Try to get her in here, second gear here. There we go. Got her in second gear now. Try to get her in third. Look at that. I got her in third. Cops just went by. You're probably wondering if World War III is gonna come out here. I'm gonna come buzzing down the driveway here. Look out, App! Alright, I'm gonna give her a rest. Since I got her through all three gears now. She goes into reverse. Goes forward. And I got three gears. So far, so good. We'll give her a little rest here. Alright, we got my brother out there. He had to come down and try her out. And he's still getting the hang of her. There we go. Pull her straight back. There he goes. I tell you, us Meldrum boys were not really built for Jeeps. We're kind of on the bigger side, but he's giving her hell. There he goes. Oh, he caught second gear. He's probably got a roller. So, here you go. Alright, I know George will ask me, does it do burnout? Well, let's give her a try. Well, I see the marks. So it does do a burnout. I hope it stops too. Ah, almost hit the lawnmower. But anyway, I'm gonna put her to bed. See ya.